What you're looking at is the DBL Design super single wheel, one piece 20 by 10 forged aluminum wheel. What you're looking at is the deepest drop wheel in the industry to make it easy to get on and off. It's also got approximately 10 hours of machine time to make one wheel. Yes, it is forged aluminum. Yes, it comes in the 10-on-225 bolt pattern. Yeah, it's 6061 aluminum forged, and it's all machined on a CNC 5-axis mill. Now, you're looking at dual valve stems front and back, easy to air up. It supports on hammer-on weights and stick-on weights. What you're looking at now is the machine finish, or it can be powder-coated, either way. And with the extra deep drop well, you have an extra wide center. That wide center is for strength and deep windows so you can have a lightweight look. This is the snappy cap on the front wheel. What you can't tell about this wheel is this thing's almost 4 inches thick. You can't see it, but this is only the front half. The back half is just as thick. And so that's how you have big windows, is the center is so thick that you get a big window look, which makes it look like what almost 2 years of development gets you. These recesses are not just for Ford. Those recesses are for Dodge. So this lug nut surface was designed for a Dodge. That's just one of like 30 features of this wheel. Here's another one. This little groove right here, which you can't really tell. That groove right there is designed just for the wheel weights to sit straight. So as you glue the wheel weights in, they sit straight, and then you can stack them right beside each other and they're not crooked and jacked up. I recommend these tire pressure monitoring system. They fit our valve stem, they screw right on, they're flush mount. TST is one of the best quality in the industry, and what you do is you put this on the back side of the wheel, so now you can check your tire pressure anytime. That is how much a wheel weighs with a Michelin 335. This is what it looks like with the extended nuts that cover the studs and they never rust. That's clever. The apex seals, these are super clever. They go right on top of our valve stem and they just fast blow the thing. I mean, like, you count 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes down super fast, and they fit right on top of our valve stems. We recommend you put that on the front of the wheel